Hi, I'm Noah Hendrix. I work at Dalinghaus Construction and I'm a foreman. Okay, so they've got 2 inches of drop over here in the corner. Now, when I did my before measurements, 2 inches of drop for this project, so we're doing some push piers. So 4 push piers right on the corner. We dig down until we catch the footing. And then once we get down under the footing, about 12 to 18 inches, we'll undermine it. That way we can seat our bracket perfectly under there. We want the bracket flush against the footing, and then we anchor bolt it in. Depending on the job, we'll use Hilti bolts or tighten screw-in bolts. We'll put a lead down that has a compression ring on it, and as we set everything up, we'll put the back plates on. We'll mount that drive cylinder up there, and we'll start pushing pipe. If I'm doing a lift, which I'm doing on this one, I'll do a daisy chain. So a daisy chain is multiple hydraulic jacks hooked up to the same electric pump. You get pressure on one, you close the valve, and then you go down the line that way, back and forth until you get your desired effect. So you do have a lot of settlement issues, especially since it started, monsoon season's getting worse and worse nowadays. So you will see a lot of drainage issues, which cause settlement issues in a lot of different places. Arizona is known for their layers of soil. So I can shoot up to say I'm pushing one of these piers today, and I get down to 6 feet, and I hit my pressure for, my minimum pressure. The reason why I keep that pressure, so my minimum pressure is 4,300 for this. So I'll keep that pressure on there for 10 to 15 minutes just to ensure that I'm not hitting that collegiate layer. So if I could break through that, I'm gonna break through it. And I'm gonna push until I hit pressure again. So that's typically, you either run into that or rocks. And if you run into rocks, then you gotta break out that big old heavy, really fun, loud rock.